Today I'm gonna show you something special. We're talking about a strategy that I personally love. It's like my go-to secret weapon, and the best part, it uses 100% free indicators. Yeah, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no fancy subscription, just pure trading power that you can unleash right now. A killer combo, a system that's so simple yet so effective. You'll wonder why you didn't find it sooner. Alright, let's break down this trading strategy step by step. First off, we're using a combination of trend following tools. The core of this strategy is the trend line with breaks indicator. This thing is a game changer. You know how tedious it is to manually draw trend lines trying to catch those breakouts? This indicator automates the whole process. It draws the trend lines for you and it signals when a breakout occurs. This means less time spending analyzing charts and more time focusing on executing trades. To get this indicator, just go to the platform's indicator search bar, type in trend lines with breaks, and select the one by Lux Algo. Boom, it's on your chart. You instantly see those trend lines with breakout signals. But here's the key. We're not jumping into trades right away. We need to fine tune it. Now let's talk about those adjustments. Go into the indicator settings and the input section. You'll see swing detection look back. Change that to 21. What this does is adjust the sensitivity of the indicator. A value of 21 makes it more responsive to recent price action, giving us more accurate trend lines and breakout signals. Next, we'll see a slope. Leave that at its default value, which is 1. This parameter controls the angle of the trend lines. We want it to keep it consistent. Then there's a slope calculation method. Change that to a standard deviation. This method provides a more aesthetically accurate calculation of the trend line slope, which helps us identify stronger trends. And hey, if you want to personalize your chart, you can change the color of the trend lines. Make them stand out, make them your own. That's all the adjustments we need. We just turned a powerful indicator into a finely tuned trading machine. Hold up a second. Those sweet trend lines with break signals, right? But if you zoom in, take a real close look at your chart, you'll notice something. We're still getting some signals that are going against the main trend. And that's a no-go. We need to filter out those. That's where our second weapon comes in. This indicator is a straight up magic. It's called the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator. Honestly, I'm surprised it's even free. This thing is so powerful, it should be behind a paywall. You can use it in just about any trading strategy. It's that versatile. Here's how you get it. Head back to your indicator section. And just like before, this time type in Swing Arm ATR Trend and hit enter. You'll see it pop up in the results. Click on it and boom, it's on your chart. Now this indicator is gonna help us filter out those counter trend signals. It's gonna show us the overall trend direction, so we know when to trust those trend line breakouts and when to ignore them. We're about to combine these two indicators into a super powerful trading strategy. You're gonna love this. But we're not jumping in just yet. We've gotta tweak it, make it work perfectly with our trend line setup. We're gonna head into the settings and we're gonna dial this thing in. First up, in the inputs tab, we're gonna leave the time frame and trail type exactly as they are. Those default settings are solid. Now here's where we make some changes. We're gonna adjust the ATR period to 14. This is gonna give us a smoother, more responsive reading of market's volatility. Then we're also changing the ATR factor to 14. This synchronizes the ATR factor with the ATR period, creating a more balanced and accurate signal. Next, we're gonna disable show fib entries. We don't need those for this strategy. So we're gonna keep our chart clean and focused. Alright, now for the magic. We're heading over to the style section. Here's we're gonna disable anything except for the last 3 plot background options. These are the key to this strategy. These plot backgrounds are gonna show us the overall trend direction, and that's exactly what we need to filter those counter trend signals. Basically, we're stripping away all the clutter and focusing on the essential trend information. We're tuning this indicator into a clean, precise tool that's gonna give us the edge we need. The setup is gonna make a huge difference in how we read the market. Alright, let's put this all together and talk about how we're exactly gonna make some money. So we've got our trend lines with breaks indicator and our swing arm ATR trend indicator both dialed in and ready to go. Here's the rule. We're only taking trades that align with the overall trend. That's where the swing arm ATR trend indicator comes in. If the indicator is showing us that the trend is down, meaning the price candles are below those background plots, we're only looking for sell signals. We're ignoring any buy signals because those would be counter trend trades, and we want to stay with the flow. So, when the swing arm ATR trend indicator is showing a downtrend, we're waiting for those bearish breakout signals by the trend line with breaks indicator. When we see a bearish breakout of a trend line, that's our entry signal. That's when we pull the trigger and go short. Now, let's talk about managing the trade. For the stop loss, we're gonna place it just above the recent swing high. This protects us from unexpected price reversals. And for the target, we're aiming for a risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1. That means for every dollar we risk, we're aiming to make $2. Look at your chart. You see those bearish breakouts of the trend lines, right? When the swing arm trend indicator confirms the downtrend, those are the trades that makes us money. We're riding the trend, taking advantage of those high probability setups. It's all about keeping it simple and sticking to the plan. For buy trades, we flip it. When the swing arm ATR trend indicator shows us an uptrend, price actions above the plots, we'll only look for bullish breakouts from the trend lines with breaks indicator. Enter on the breakout, a stop loss below the recent swing low, and target 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Simple as that.